Because percentages can be so subtle, many people misuse them, sometimes inadvertently and sometimes deliberately. In this video, we will investigate a common abuse of percentages where we encounter shifting reference values. A stockbroker offers the following defense to angry investors. I admit the value of your investments fell 40% during my first year on the job. This year, however, the value has increased by 65%, so you're now 25% ahead. Let's evaluate the stockbroker's defense and determine if his claim is true. Imagine you begin with an investment of $1,000. During the first year, your investment lost 40% of its value, or $400, leaving you with $600. During the second year, your investment gained 65% of $600, or 0.65 times $600, which is equal to $390. Therefore, at the end of the second year, your investment was worth the $600 plus $390, which is $990. And this is still less than your original investment of $1,000 and certainly not a 25% gain overall. We can trace the problem with the stockbroker's defense to a shifting reference value. It was $1,000 for the first calculation and $600 for the second.